As lockdown continues, my dad's been buying more Coles food. In this video, we'll be air frying Coles' Made Easy crispy pork. Thank you for all the support you've given us in previous videos. Inside the box, it was a 646 grams of pork belly and it costed $10.34. The first step is to remove the pork belly from its pack. Rub off all the gelatinized juices thoroughly and dry the skin with paper towels. This is an important process for a nice crackling. Place the pork over 2 sheets of aluminium foil. Score the meat with 1 cm diagonal cuts. And again, wipe all the moisture off the skin for the best crackling. Next, wrap the meat with foil, leaving the skin exposed. This will prevent the meat from drying out. Lightly rub the skin with 1 teaspoon of oil. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and rub it into the skin. Now preheat your air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius. Once preheated, place your meat into the air fryer. Air fry the pork at 200 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, generally 20% less time than the oven. This is a sneak peek at 30 minutes, but you don't have to do it. The crackling looks very promising. When it's finally finished, plate it and serve it with your favorite sides. To safely take the meat out, loosen it from the foil. Remove using a spatula to avoid breaking the crackling. The pork belly smelled great and looked promising. Let it rest for a bit before you cut it. Listen, the skin sounds crunchy. Have you tried making crispy skin pork belly before? If so, tell us your go-to recipe in the comments. With a sharp knife or cleaver, chop it to your desired size and serve. What side dish do you happen to be serving yours with? The meat looks tender and juicy and is still quite warm. It comes apart easily. Definitely tastes great. The crackling is just perfect. We certainly recommend you to buy this. It's great. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and we are currently editing the next video.